So First Tactical is collaborating with IFAK360 to provide medical supplies that make sense. Most of the time we go to a store and purchase medical supplies or a first aid kit, and they're mostly band-aids and things that are superficial that don't actually save lives. So with IFAK360, they provide the supplies to outfit the packs or the pouches that we put into our bags. The benefit of that is you could take those medical supplies based on your skill level, scope of practice, whether you're an EMT, an EMR, or just the everyday Joe, and have bags that make sense for your everyday stuff. So with that, I can take a wound care kit, or I could take a hemorrhage control or a wound closure or trauma thing, depending on what I'm doing that day, whether I'm going hiking or I'm gonna go out with my family. Put those into a bag, and that's your everyday carry.